Next in CSS, we are going to create Netflix sign-in page. So we have to create this page. Here, this is our Netflix logo and this is our hero image. Now within this page, we have to put this box, and in this box, we have to put this email box, password box, and this button, this button. So to create this, first of all, here, this is our basic HTML code, and here within body section, I'm giving one div class equals to, I'm assigning a class hero image to it. So this is our class which we'll be creating later. So within this hero image div, we are creating one more div to which I have assigned a class nav, and within this nav I'm going to give that image. So img src equals to name of my image is capture.png. So this is my image. Save it. Right now we haven't done anything in head section, so our page is looking like this. It has got just that image. Now in head section we have to put style tag, and within this style tag, first of all I'm setting margin, padding to 0 pixel, and here I'm giving font family to sans serif. Next we have to create that hero image class. So for that, dot hero, this is our class. Now in this class we have to give that background image. So background image, here I'm giving it linear gradient, within bracket RGBA, and here I'm specifying 0, 0, 0 and 0.7, comma, again I'm giving RGBA, and within bracket 0, 0, 0 and 0.7, and after all these brackets are closed, we have to put comma, and then we have to give URL, and URL we have to give that hero image. So that name is netflixb.jpg. Save it, and right now our page is looking like this. So what we have to do when we are creating that hero image class, we have to set its width, height and all. So here I'm setting its minimum height, min height, and here I'm putting it as 100 VH. Then there's background position. Here I'm putting it as center. Then background size to cover. Save, and background repeat to no repeat. Save. So this is our hero image. Next we have to shift this image a little right side, because here we can see that there's a space here. So here we have given our image, and here I'm giving style equals to, and here I'm giving, first of all we want that its background color should be transparent. So background color, here I'm giving it is transparent. Now in hero image class I'm giving one more thing, that is position to relative, and here I can give position to absolute, and here I'm giving left margin from left side we want that that image should be 160 pixel away from its left margin. Save it. The image has moved a little right side. Next, this is our navigation bar and we have to set its width and height. We have created a class nav. So here I'm creating that class. Here we have assigned that nav class to div, which is inside hero image class. So this is our nav class and here I'm giving it a width of 100% and height. Here I'm giving it as 140 pixel. Save. So our page is looking like this. We have given this image and we have given this hero image and this Netflix logo. Next we have to put that box, this box. Now we are going to create this part of Netflix site, this lower part. So to create this part, we'll consider this whole as one class, which will be assigning to a div. In that div, we are going to create one more div whose name will be box, and in that box div, we are going to design that form. So here, after finishing this nav class div, here we are starting one more div class equals to, and here I'm giving it a name sign in. This is the name of class and here within sign in class I'm creating one more class and that class I'm assigning to div class equals to box, and in this box class we are going to design that form. So here form action equals to, here I'm giving hash, it's a dummy link, method equals to, and here I'm giving it post. Now in style section we have to create sign in class. Sign in, this is our class and here I'm giving it a width of 100% and height of 100%. 100% and height is also 100%. And here I'm giving it a position of relative. Save. Now in this sign in class we have to create one more, we have created one more there to which we have assigned the class box. So we are creating a box class which will be containing that form. So dot box, this is our class and here we want that its background color should be like that, it's blackish transparent. So here I'm giving background color and it is RGBA 000 and 0.1. Color of text about it will be, I'm giving it RGB and 255, 255 and 255. Border, now here we can give, we don't need border but as of now we are giving border to it also. Border to 1 pixel, solid white. save. Next we have to give, so right now it is looking like this on our browser. Save. Right now we cannot see that box because we haven't given width and height to that box. So here we are giving it a width of 400 pixel, and this is our height, and here I'm giving it 570 pixel. Save it, and now this is our box. Now we need to put this box in the center. So what we have to do in the parent div, we have to put display property to flex, and our parent div is this sign and div. So here I'm giving it inline only. So here style equals to display to flex. Save, and then we have to give justify content to center, and align items to center. Now this thing is going to bring a box in the center of that page. So this is box, now it is in the center. Now we have to give it a little curvy effect to its corners. So here we are giving border radius of 4 pixel. Save. Next we are giving box sizing to border box. Now we want that text box which we want to put inside this box should be in the center. So here I'm giving display property to flex, and justify content to center. Save. What this thing is going to do, it is going to bring both all the text boxes buttons in the center of that box. Next we need to put this text in this box. So for that, here I'm creating a class. Within the form we are creating a div to which we are assigning a class whose name is header. And here our text, sign in. Save it. So right now it is looking like this. Now what we have to create header class in head section in style tag. So here after this box class I'm creating header class, and in this header class we are giving margin top to 50 pixel, margin left, here I'm giving it a 60 pixel, then font size, here I'm giving is 30 pixel. Save. So our text is in the center. We need to bring it in the left side. So what here I'm going to do here, instead of justify content to center, here I'm giving it baseline. Save, and this is how our page is looking right now. Refresh it. Now we have to give it a font weight. So here I'm giving font weight of 700. Save, and right now this is our header. Next we have to put this box, email box, then we have to put the text password box. So for that I'll be creating one more class whose name is going to be one, in which I'll be putting this email box and its label. Then again I'll be creating one more div to which I'll be assigning a class 1, and in which I will be putting this password box and its label. So here I'm creating one div. So after this header div, again we are starting one more div, and its class is 1, and in this div we are going to put that text box. So input type equals to, here I'm giving it is text, name equals to, here I'm giving it a name, email, id is email. Then we have to create its label. So label for equals to, and here I'm giving it a name, email, and here we have to put text for it, and its text is email or mobile number. So it's email or mobile number. Save. Right now it is looking like this. We haven't created that one class, so we have to create that class also. So here in that one class, and before creating that class we are going to do formatting for input box. So here this is our input box formatting, and here we want that its width should be 300 pixel, height here I'm giving it as 50 pixel, border radius here it is 4 pixel, border to 1 pixel, solid white. Then we can give padding of 10 pixel. Then is margin. Okay, first we'll see how it is looking. So right now our box is looking like this. Here we have to give margin and all. So here I'm giving margin left of 50 pixel. Then is margin top, and here I'm putting is 30 pixel, margin right, here I'm giving it is 50 pixel, and background color we want that there is no background color in our text box here. It is transparent, so here we'll be giving transparent color, and it's transparent. Save it, and right now it is looking like this on our browser. Here instead of white we are going to give gray because it has gray border. Save. So right now it is looking like this. Next we have to give it a focus effect. So input type equals to text, and when we focus on that input box, that time its border should be 1 pixel, solid white. and with this we want that its outline should be 1 pixel solid, and here I'm giving it a color RGB, and here it is a shade of gray. Save it, and right now it is looking like this. When we are focusing on it, its color is converting to gray. Next we have to create one class. Here we have put both email box and label in class whose name is one. So we have to create that class. So here it is dot one. This is our class, and here we are giving it a position of relative. Save. Next we need to put that label in this text box. To create it a floating label, we need to bring it inside this text box. So here, after creating one class, one, and we are doing it for label, so it is label, and here we are giving it a position of absolute. Save. From top side we want it to be 35 pixel away, and here we have made a mistake. Transform, translate y, and here it should be 90 pixel. Save. So this label is inside this text box. Next we want that whenever we are clicking inside this text box, this label should go a little up and its font size should decrease. So for that, here our class name is one, input, focus, label, dot one, input, again focus, valid, and within curly bracket we are giving margin. From top side we want it to be minus 55 pixel, and its font size should decrease to 15 pixel. Save, refresh. So whenever we are clicking inside it, its font size is decreasing, and the text is also floating to upside. This font size decreasing its font size, but it's not that much visible, so we need to decrease it even more. Instead of 15, I'm giving here 10. Save it, and here whenever I click play, it is decreasing to 10 pixel. Instead of 10 we are giving it 12. Save. Define. Along with this font size and floating label, we need to change the font color. So font color, for that we need to use color. Should be here, I'm giving gray. Save. Here the left margin is 90 pixels. So instead of 90 pixel, here I'm giving it 75 pixel. Save. Same thing we are going to do for that password box. So we need to put that password box in class 1. So we are creating a div to which we are assigning a class 1 and which will be putting that password box. So I'm copying this only, and here instead of email I'm giving password. ID is also password, and here it is password. And here the label, instead of email it is password. Save. And so this is a password box. Next we need to create this button. So to create that button, outside this div class 1 I'm giving button type equals to button, and here we have to put the text, that is sign in. Save. And in head section we have to give width and height of button and other formatting features. So it's button, and here I'm giving it a width of 300 pixel, height of 50 pixel, border radius of 4 pixel, background color, here I'm giving it as red, outline to none, then is padding to 10 pixel. We gave same padding and text box even, so we are keeping it same here. Margin left to 50 pixel. Here we can check if it is 50 pixel. Margin left, it's 40 pixel. Then margin top, here we are giving it 30 pixel. Then is margin right, and here it is 50 pixel. Save. Here instead of 4 pixel border radius, here we are putting 5 pixel. Then color of text should be white, and font size, here we are giving it is 15 pixel, and font weight, here it is 400 pixel. Save. And right now our page is looking like this. Next we have to put this text, that is or. So we'll be putting it in paragraph. So here after button, p class equals to, here I'm giving it a name or only, and here we have to put our text, and here in head section we have to create this or class. So dot or, this is the name of our class. Here we are giving it a padding of 10 pixel, then margin left of 180 pixel, margin top of 10 pixel, then is margin right of 50 pixel, and margin bottom of 10 pixel. Save, and right now this is our text. After this or, we have to put one more button. So here in body section, after this p class equals to or, here I'm giving button, type equals to button, then we have to give style equals to background color. Here we want it as gray, so we are giving here a shade of gray, RGB, and here I'm giving it uh, 46 and 46. Then margin top, here I'm giving it as 10 pixel, and here we have to give the text, and it is use a sign and code. Save, and this is our second button right now. After this button we need to give this forget password, that is a link. So here after finishing of this button, we are creating div class equals to link. This is the name of the class which we'll be creating later. And here we are giving style equals to text decoration to none. Color of text should be white. Font size, here I'm giving it as 15 pixel. Then as text align to center. Now we are removing text decoration from this because we will give it an anchor tag. So here it is, style color to white, font size to 15 pixel, text align. And here within this div we are creating one anchor tag because that is a hyperlink. So ahref equals to, within double quotes, We have to give hash because it's a dummy link, and here we have to give style equals to text decoration to none, and color to white. And here we have to give our text, that is forget password. Save. So this is how our page is looking right now. Here we need to give margin top. So here margin top, and here I'm giving it 10 pixel. Save. Instead of giving margin here, we'll give it in div. So we are removing it from here, and we'll putting it in div. Save it, and right now our page is looking like this. Next we have to give this remember me. So for that, so to create this, we'll putting it in paragraph p, then style equals to, here we are giving it a color of white, then margin top we want it to be 10 pixel, margin left, here I'm giving it 30 pixel, and here we have to create a link a href equals to within double quotes hash, and text decoration to none, style equals to text decoration to none, and the color of text we want it to be white. And here we have to give our text, and that is remember me. Save, and this is how it is looking right now. Now after that we have to close this box, then we have to give this thing. So here closing my form tag, then is box tag, and then in sign in tag, and this is our hero image tag, div tag. Save it, and here first of all we are going to remove that border from box. So here we have created a box to which we have given border 1 pixel solid white. Save, and refresh. So our page is looking like this right now. Here we can see that our box is too much transparent, so here we can change its background color from 000 and 0.1 to 0.7. Next we are going to design this lower part of sign in page. Next we are going to create this part of Netflix site. So to create this, it is outside hero image, so we'll close our hero image div. Yeah, and after that div we are going to create one more div. This is our hero image div, we are closing it here, and yes, after that we are creating one more div class equals to, and here I'm giving it a name second, and here in head section we are creating the second class. So dot, this is our class, and here I'm giving it a width of 100%, height of 400 pixel, and background color here we are choosing is black. Save. So right now it is looking like this. Now we have to put that text. So to put that text we'll be using paragraph tag. So here within this div, p style equals to, here we are giving it a color of uh, RGB, and within bracket I'm choosing 151 comma 147 comma 147. So this is going to be color of text. Then text should be in center, so text align should be center. We need to give margin from top, so margin top, and here we are choosing it 10 pixel. Then we have to give the text, and that text is in the form of link. This is not a link, but this is link. So here we have to give new to Netflix, and then we have to give hyperlink, sign up now. So here after that we are creating a href equals to, it's a dummy link, so within double quotes we have to put hash, and along with this we have to give style equals to text decoration to none, and color of text we want it to be it is white here, so color to be white. And here we have to give text sign up now. Save it, and here now it is looking like this. So we'll be using paragraph tag for it also. So here it will be p style equals to, and here we are giving it a color, it's in gray color, so I'll be choosing same color. Color of text should be this. Then text align should be center. Save. Then margin top here we are choosing is 10 pixel, and font size here it is 15 pixel, and here we have to put the text. So the text is, we can copy it from here, save it, and it is looking right now like this. We can decrease the size of text even more, so instead of 15 pixel we are putting it 10 pixel. And next we have to give, so this is our text, it is too small, so instead of 10 better to give 12. Next we have to give this text, so for that we have to do same thing. So I'm copying this formatting from here only. And here we have to put this text. This learn more is a hyperlink, so ahref equals to within double quotes dummy link. Style equals to text decoration to none, and color of text here we can see is blue. So we'll not change the color of text, or we can say color to be blue. Here we have to close anchor tag. Save it, and this is our page.